everybody, my name is Sarah Nurse and I am a beauty vlogger. I'm here with Redken today to show you how to do a side chunky fishtail braid. I absolutely love this style and it is so boho chic and perfect for summer. The first thing I'm gonna do is take Pillow Proof 2-Day Extender Dry Shampoo to add volume and grip to my hair. Next, I'm gonna take all my hair to one side. I'm gonna take a small section from the back of my head and twist that towards my face. And I'm going to join it with a section from the front of my face that I twisted away. Now that I've got my twists done, I'm gonna secure them with a clear elastic. Now I'm gonna braid my hair into a fishtail braid. So all that I'm doing is taking a small section of hair from the back and I'm gonna cross it over and I'm adding it to this other section on the other side. So again, I'm taking a small section of hair from this section, I'm crossing it over and adding it to this section on the other side, and that's how you create a fishtail. You can take small pieces if you want a more delicate braid, or larger pieces for a more chunky type of braid, or you can alternate. That also makes an interesting effect. Now that I'm at the end, I'm gonna tie it off with an elastic. Now that I've secured the braid, I'm gonna add powder grip just to add volume and texture. So how I like to use this is give it a squeeze, cover it, shake it, and you're ready. So what I'm doing is just pulling on each of these loops to give it even more volume. I'm going to finish with triple take hairspray just to secure the look. And that's it. I absolutely love this hairstyle. I think it is so boho and perfect for summer.